Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Mano sana mwanchi umurgelia bigitaseni kya Ndizi TV ngo kwarigania sentunda ya gatatu chinga kitaganta gusanga imiyo murubiri bwensa kya bono mambya ekera nabango kumanya bongari tkolya rero ntubwata bageni ase studio abutora bito gusanga na barobwa mange igori ya mangana alengete abasae na bayigo asensemo ya magendero mwanchi umurgelia ngo kunyirenga nabo kwenda gusanga nintekerenga likiago gwetera ase namba yesimi ya 0792192834 so sensemiri ya WhatsApp channel ya Ndizi TV News Digital so sensemiri ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital YouTube Ndizi TV News website www.ndizitv.net kwende tiangiriri bageri gali ya bene ko baligani ya studio batumanye ngai bakorwa na kibakorokwa ningi kili bagokoraga asorgongo ruagusi. Karibu sana. Aha, tushake na yorange na inche omanyu manchu murigelia na kyokorokwa na ndenga yokorokorwa.
Biamano murigeli to Ndizi TV biamano muradia so twali baga gochase TV to Ndizi TV asamari zanguru ku Vincent Machoka nguru ari nyari bari chache ward ya Birongo Kenya Kiburu njino musae na inde umwari munde nsomerete sabu na physics lakini inde I have majored much into politics and mostly I love doing analysis na wakora the economics.
Okay. Asante sana. So wikira na studio erinde gosanga no mwancho mulira toratomanya yensemo yago Gen Z go say millennials.
Let me say I'm the youngest millennial because I got to more before the Gen Zs are born.
Okay. Asante sana. So gotobajega na gotobajana kyokorokwa ngayiyokorokora.
Biamono moralia ja samaria danguru kujose buwaro sioma kere mwakiage kitutu Central Ward kitutu Jaje South.
Okay.
Nje jeno mwana siasa na bole jikuraja 2022 abantu baide bakanga chinyinge mono lakini
nje sana
nande tobwata maono future igo ndina beire iko bumura igo basai for long.
Okay, asante sana. Ngatenga chinga kichigo ikanane na bogu eso kike mina ne kitara bago kwerusi orara.
Mina no monde. No yo mindate aba I think I'm a millennial. Because I was born miaka 3 before I was
Gen Z.
Mimi ni ancestor.
Okay. Biabana sana so wikira na studio tobeto gusanga no mwanchi murigeria emambia yabono igam akorinde to chake ko rasensemo ya go Vincent tobeto korara basaye bagwesokia sichinga kichinyinge bakomochia eserekali kora tumanyinge kiringa kya basaye asengani yo ngirikeke
biamano muralia siriswali yo na inde tigamanyo muralia to nyarichi kutwara 2010 nyarichi kuligia sana liko mu Kenya ndwe nsio gosiburi keraro dire mochando ndwe nsia serikali gose no nyina service iri ya gukora ekere kwaro na nyango nyanya sore na bakori bawe kasi no iri chinguru neri chiko soke para oanda mane asomorembe atiko 37 ngongo articulate iri ya gotebi procedure wona tukubwati ekere gukora mandamano. I think for as much as participated in some manaya. It was really a good show from the youth. I was so nervous because I have been a believer that one day abasaye baichoire mono lakini one day bache baikase bagwe soki bararamike mono na gote serikali tirabakonya. I have done a lot of analysis kuru 2014 for example ekerenjo monyana isaransi tamate mwake Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education kuru kadino lotunga mosocho there have been around 10 million students who are matem KCSE, but to your surprise, our wanafunzi wanyo already D plus and below are 6.9 million. One almost 60% ya wanafunzi wako KCSE kwa 2014. That's 10 years. Wako KCSE. That is since we started the new constitution, because yeah, it took 2010, but 2013 is when it was implemented. So kurwa bosi kwa kesa 6.9 million youths ngaiba achire, because majority of D plus and below they don't join university direct. Wange babo mbari go join colleges direct. Wange babo konyora dia mbari bako idols ka, most of them are those people konyora bako endi chipiki abandi mbari konyora bako tware chance baso bosigari. But there is around 4 million of them batari andonsi. So ekero kwebori amaswali ekwebori, where will these youths go? Oguchaka utoro bwanya one day a youth bulge problem nature puke. Na it's not only in Kenya. It's not only in Kenya that we are having a youth problem. In India, for example, they have a population of almost 50 times what we are, and the majority of that 50 times Navasai are suffering from the same problems you're suffering. Lakini barabu abange babombaire environment yoko ba creative, abange ba provide environment yoko kinibia sarabia. I think the reason why in Kenya we are having a problem is because we've not had proper planning serikali chikuru maida, because Kibaki kerako ikorai 2002 if we are going to have a future, so Kibaki aka-initiate the process yoko create amasomo, create literacy. That's why in Africa we are number 3 in terms of literacy. And Uhuru Kenyatta Kerabu, they had a very good vision for Kenya in 2013, from digitizing everything, from opening up the country for investors. But again, Uhuru Kenyatta did not stick to the plan to the end, because he get at some point, I think, aga feature much into politics. Because the agenda on housing in the year 2017 was a very, very good agenda. We are in the 7th year towards the project. Can at least to absorb Virabanta, mention about D plus, majority of them were soiled into the TVETs, so I feel like there has been a problem that has been piling up, and this problem was ignored by the previous regime, but it was imminent that when I so metaphysics, math, and there are people on Barawata Someti, that's the problem. So I think it was something that was expected. In the future, if the future leadership or this current leadership with Tarochibia, Nainda was saying we're on about para, I'm sure President he will try as much as possible to make sure that na cover half of that 3.something million youth, 2 million, that will bring a lot of peace.
Okay, mbiyamana sana timenti ensemo yago Joseph nki kwaro likiabire etafauti asobora iyo biga bwabono asaba sae babono ne myakeli ya maiga.
Ditangani kabisa we are proud ya basaya ba agency aso owe soki okobeso kiri, so that to opime serikali nga nkia kolire na nkieta kire gokora. The agency, they are more socio-minded than the millennials. Meaning our murava over manire over a right yabo, wangere koyeruanera with immediate effect. Because we are proud of them. Nande Gen Z, one nine to no to the inwe, millennial and Gen Z are together. To get a serakalinga inkia to let them and to abasai. To give an example. Serikali ya bono kuna at this time Gen Z manete serikali ya failed yake. You can see even yesterday kuna ministers wabete. I thought serikali ngoja kuligereria arenge erabeka na beautiful face. Even their quarter all they have. Egere abasa baba feel included. Lakini you find monto ogambire he has been in a government for almost 20 years. Na ndenero go come back. Despite the fact that maybe the president is playing politics. you were to do something igoro ya basae sengenja basaba actually bona ubaruanete lakini now the opposition have gained abasae na ubare goruanere government na ubagerete president yakatuguterare ministers but abantu bageniri roje mbaraga na abantu abangao which is so disappointing in some cases but let us believe nga abantu aba bachore tu how barabunga kibago cha gotetese abasae that's our question now and the nature of Raila we have been knowing him no monto tatagetinse sareke no monto ligereti mostly keraro lebinto ngwanda bire astray ago so ese government so in corporate ba colleagues lakini rende bainyora abasae basae na buboniga kiregento we have gens in back village bono egente kegiachirare bono we need to think bantu ba underrate this generation never underrate this generation is enjo in future maybe they will make a decision that will etanyare kunye diva like for example now aba muraba baize kuamua and I'm also encouraging them is a chikura babu atachikura sogonge and I'm seeing that in future aba muraba ngo bugori bare kura kobe kerwanero kyabo and they will do what they are supposed to do.
Okay, mbia mono sana sokurwa ebiringeri byabo. Twariringa ekirenge kinene no kumulikira obukolere bwe serikali. Toirane ngo, do you think there is inclusivity asense mo yabasae asense mo serikali?
Mbia mono. I want to also concur with what my brother here said. Maandamano was meant to achieve inclusivity in the youth, but I feel as the youth, ntu afeli the president because ntu amwe chance nyingi ya sana yoko recruit more youth into the cabinet. Ero monyana akatutegerera baka nima etenone reso moye magasaso kagatero finally monje mwansibo irukuru asechera konyana abekiru na basani. But rende kariye kira asitutakire we saranse mensa irindi ntu abanyene to present our own youths what to represent. We decided that to be tribeless, to be faceless, and to be leaderless. And normally from history, the movement was a revolution without a leader. And that's the problem that our youth were having. And the problem is not only in the youth, it's even in the older generation. In fact, in the Kenya, and I say that without any fear of contradiction, is mistrust and what trust among us because ekere Osama Otero, for example, allow me to mention him. Ekere amuthi let me host the president on the X space. Abasaya wange ba monjo kerete bakateba ni traitor bakateba is speaking from State House or and anybody who was seeing to have a contrary opinion towards what the Gen Zs were saying are a traitor, which is not what I expected from this movement. And that's the problem we are having. If we can only solve this problem of mistrust amongst us, that's the only way we are going to change this generation. And the one I feel, if we could have held the president's hand, Mr. President, if the politicians are going to hijack this movement, we are not going to leave the streets. The message can get the president. And can get to insist on that. We are not going to recycle politicians. We are not going to allow a handshake. We are not going to allow. But we didn't even have that as an agenda. Majority of these people were following this movement blindly. Ever benefit from this movement in a way that there are people who are funded. There are people who got a lot of followers on social media. There are people who are getting airtime on TV. There are people. Again that at the expense of the movement that was so radical and so organic. And I feel like in the future, if you're going to have such kind of a movement, tika to are obomo, to even 5 representatives, because we were given around 26 seats as a dialogue representative everything. We give around 26 youths, find ways and among the 100 and something people. What was a framework? You will solve the problem once and for all. But you know what the youth did? About the president, we don't want a dialogue, we don't want to sit, just act. The president, I don't know any human being. There's a political problem, and there's also another problem with our theater. You sort what you see first. So the president, let me sort the economical problem, the political problem, and that's what he did. The only thing that he did different compared to his successor, Uhuru Kenyatta, a dialogue, a political solution. I would take him I bring your team. Right? Uhuru akorete differently. Uhuru was secretary to Isiko, Raila was secretary Isiko. They came out with their pact. And that's why most of the people claim that during the handshake era, there was a lot of corruption in that regime. We are in a problem because of that. So I think the president tried to be so open-handed to the people. Akabatebia wasaya muangere chance yoko sorte problem we. Lakini think kwenye sorte njeweka. Na abaire mchinsa nechinga kinchu twisa anse tukwane. Abangi babo bakangaimu and the same na ngote yenye siasa yeko chezo in a very funny way. In fact, the politicians who are now seated in government, of opposition, might be the people who made another this generation, because they're very popular. Whatever you say, people follow. So they forced these other people to say we don't want a dialogue, so that somebody's agenda can be achieved. So you can take it from two perspectives. Is a political game in this dialogue question, and there is ignorance also from us, the youth. Now we have to point ourselves this finger and say we didn't give the president anything. And the constitution inquiry president was going to nominate appointed as a cabinet. But again, we have forced him to appoint people who does not support his vision. We have appointed people we have given him a chance to appoint people who might be a problem in the future. But again, we should give him chance. Let's hope that going forward now things are going to change. From opposition, they will go there with heads high. But what the idea what the manifesto azimio alafu bogwata nina varia banyibare through na babo yobekire health humanitarian but the idea fresh as a so that we see can we solve this problem of unemployment, because the problem we have in Kenya is not even the bigger problem about corruption. The problem we have in Kenya is employment, and that's why through employment one of these other problems, corruption, poor infrastructure, chigo chechia soka one by one.
Okay, mbiyemana sana Vincent asokuru biringa kiago. Tucha senseme ya Mosque Joseph. Timete usengwanchira nole na Vincent because taliri tanga ntwaro liringa umurayi winse nonyubora yibuli bwa kurumaega bago sabe dialogue. Chi dialogue chabere chikoba. Etofauti ni reyali go chakobororo ekiraba saiba genzi bali go chagwanchira na gutwali ngwana yabene n'umurayi winse. Akero kuligelia genzi mbateba ngatali dialogue batagete egintu batagete nebikora because dialogue yabere koba amatukali ya kurumaega na ndi ntorara maonchira likago korekana kirikende kirengeli kiago nkirikike kubatikana ninganiyo.
Itangani kabisa. Yante wenga agency the Babua they right and the way they are doing things tindo jingambube asengencho barabu batagete gusukuma the actions to be done. These actions it cannot be even included as a government. Because it's a top government, that is executive. It can be either abantu babe bloat up, abantu barabangaini bara absorb, maybe even works ba create some employment, abasa babe absorbed inside the government. Ego nje what I'm articulating, actually the president na amanyete na abwate some ints na abwate some youths amanyete. You cannot just assume about the president that might be sound or maybe vocal or vibrant. For example, my friend Vincent, namanya inene president. Actually, Vincent works with the government closely. Oh no, Vincent, na Vincent, who is known. Na wale ko observed at least one ministry ya youths and sports, so that torole picture ya basae ese government. I'm not tindiko pinganga abasa mbaru eti room to discuss about them or for dialogue. But rende bono dialogue chiara beire buna wate abo moralia. Ki dialogue chiara beire but amatunda aye tulikoranga na kolete kwerende. Na ande bono like my brother said, the president maybe must be playing games. Ndongo tebera igo igata gete we have change bakumupinga like oversight. We have the opposition. One of the first thing a diri na gera kino opposition oraje bekireka kandi one opposition is not trying to come oversight was come boli kende gyonse sengenjo they will be in the government na ubono bakale se government. One otiga irigence. One of the presidents should come out with solutions. Chira ligere youths. Chira konya youths of this country. So that batike kolengereri kogenda bara. For example, now my brother said about TVET. I think the president had in some few years back when he was the higher education minister, he is the one who brought this thing TVET. He was the one who shortcut at the time, the period of joining university. Anaelewa. Wacha president yakore kwerende abantu abange babe observed abanafunzi ababu na abanyo badachi D+ and below abantu abaye egwe ebintu bakora byamagoko babe trained, let it even be free. Saying most people nowadays a bit expensive as a college like a TVET institution also will join. Aba muraba ba incorporated ba guji certificate basoke para kango bona kango tali kunya kuholinga ngaba muraba je bakole gose muchengo. Those are the people that back line up baja kama ngana ya housing bakolegas. Igo bono they should look for a system that it will absorb abanafunzi aba ba TVET na ande banyebeke at least cheap for everyone to acquire. Igo the president should look for a way yoko incorporate the youths. Not that I may put it like an excuse for my brother Vincent. The youths did not give the president room for a dialogue. You see, there is a lot of youths that the president know that has worked with the president. You can't dismiss that now president yajui youth yote di sasa mwenye alikuwa hata wenye wako kwa ODM. We have youths. Na kitu maybe ingine naweza sema as Umugusi Raila also want to have a list of Umugusi in that cabinet. You cannot just give out wale wengine. Sisi we have been behind Raila forever. Now Raila angeangalia hata sisi kidogo na sisi atupea hata slot moja. Hiyo ndio niliona kwa hiyo list ya Raila.
Vincent
to even make it more look more realistic. Raila Odinga has never admired Kisii. You know, so what from the past. We see it to support blindly just because we don't like the other people. I don't know why. That's why even when he's doing some decisions, he rarely cares much about Umugusi. And that's why we have to also come together as Umugusi and to realize to 2019 how many people did we go with from Kisii? Nobody. To Raila in 2007, how many people went into cabinet with him? Nobody. To Raila in the year 2002, Nyachai, Konyoro, Iwana Nide, Usenkia is Sivali, but the Ekarachi Urpak at the Kibaki and that's how Kibaki failed. Nyachai, that's how Nyachai failed. So it isn't surprising that Raila always have that tendency of not carrying his support. The Yonsi support is not support the Yonsi. That's why you saw even the president also carry the cross. I'll have to carry a cross here. The people who are painted as opulent, those people who are given names that that's why I want to because he believes in the potential of the people. My brother mentioned me that I am a government person. President Abeko mentioned that I want you to be in cabinet, but when I'm going to that cabinet, the president your potential about I know you have the potential of doing this, but I feel like you need a little more time or sharpening or polishing so that by the time go appoint to this position you are ready for it. But I feel from my point, and I will defend it, I feel like we should have given dialogue a chance. Why? Number one, because we gave the president a chance to correct the mistakes and make him the best president. But we didn't give him the resources to do it, because in to what the idea you are the people who identify the problems. Lakini solution. We didn't give him solution, so the president will have to think about the solutions alone. That's why a dialogue was necessary. We could sit on next space the way he sat on next space. I can spend around 3 hours. He was asked questions, he answered the questions. That's how we should engage the president. So dialogue kiyo minute because abasaya bambaete omurai wense chance bakakuana nere ko etro mutandao X. You know that the X space it was like a forced issue, because in fact those people who are making a lot of noise didn't even appear on the space. Abantu who appeared on the space are in fact some who are even the supporters of the president. I can tell you, some of them are the supporters of the president. Some of them are those people who are for the president, but again, a movement so swayed to the movement side. That's why some of these people after so I feel a dialogue in Chengo propose to the president in youth, of course. The government has given us too much education. We are graduates. I'm a bachelor degree holder. My brother is a bachelor degree holder, and other people are bachelor degree holders. But in but we don't need the government to give us jobs. We want you to create an environment for us to thrive in business, to thrive and create our jobs for ourselves. We don't, because Raila has been in the political space for long. Raila is a dialogue. We know what is going to debate. So if we, the youth, could have gone to the dialogue with the president, maybe to another group now I have brought 4 of you to the table. I have brought 4 from the different party. Let's sit together and have the common conversation. From your side, from their side, na government, manifesto. Because when you are campaigning, you have to have your vision, and for that vision to be team in your vision. So I feel from William Ruto's shoes, in fact, he gave us a chance to rescue him from because they campaigned for him, they funded maybe his campaign. Some of them we were with them during campaign. Some economic meetings. Some of them Moses Kuria are the people who were there to economic advisor there back then. And I feel like the president had to make that sacrifice, but it wasn't easy decision. We gave him the chance to do it, and we could have taken that chance and to own a president, to tell the president, now you have done what we want. We are giving you room to correct your mistakes, but we want you to correct the mistakes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ways. Not shouting that Ruto must go, or say total shutdown, or say occupy. That's not how you solve the problems, because you are creating more problems for even businesses to thrive.
Vincent Jango tora arigereria asibone evidence ya Kenya bunabona igire. Do you think abasaya baiga gutaesokia maybe it is because of insecurity reasons? Tobito korana ni chinga kichiri bare gwesokia bakorobekana. Bali bare kubika chibiche mitandao gali, the next day ko igunga babolire, the next day ko igunga imibere yaba yatoke. Do you think nga asense ya Kenya bunekirete bona iga abductions chabere chikokorekana in the broad daylight. Do you think na kikiagarire barabo bakabanga ati ababere behind iga ali mbaba bagwesoka because abantu babere vocal babere silenced?
You know, don't believe it in constitutionalism. Like, my friends that know even on social media, I always say I uphold constitutionalism. I believe that we have the best constitution in the world. In fact, even in America, they are struggling to even have a constitution like ours because, of course, they are in India, but it gives them a lot of their rights that they are misusing. And I believe that we have the constitution that is quite balanced. Now, I didn't try exercise especially the part of Article 37 of the Constitution, the right to picket, the right to kuandamana. We have never really mastered that article. I think the Constitution is very clear that if you are going to maybe picket, what number one, or you go the routes that you are going to use, and the number of people, not the number of people you are expecting to have. And then whatever you have to also notify in a certain period of time. In the constitution, but do you know what the people did during this protest? They just said, we are the people. They forgot that there are people also in Kenya who also enjoy the rights to not to picket.
But also the constitution, power belongs to the people.
Of course, it says that. But you know, when you read the constitution, you just don't read one article. You don't read one sentence. That's what the young people did, and they were incited by some people who claim to understand the constitution because we the people, because if I am not for the protests, I should be protected by law. If you are for the protest, you should be protected by law. So I feel like if they could have followed the rule of get out of the house at 6:30 a.m. and by 6 p.m. That could be a perfect mandamano. Number two, instead of blocking every road because you are also blocking the economy from growing, what we are going to use maybe Waiyaki Way, we are going to either block University Way or say Uhuru Highway. That is the whole of CBD. No, that's now economic crimes. If you look at economic crimes, that's economic sabotage. So I think that's why the government also had to use a little excessive forces, which I don't also support. I feel like they also went overboard.
They pushed the government.
Yeah, they went overboard. The law enforcement went overboard. And those people who you're not supposed to use live bullets. You're not supposed to carry live bullets to a mandamano. And riot police training, shield, those are the only things you're supposed to use. The only thing that they are allowed to use and not in all nations, the water canister, na tear gas. Tear gases are there to disperse people who are gathering maybe to do something that is not right according to the constitution. So I felt so bad. Personally, I felt like this is now the reason why we should go out and picket, because we should now work to amend this, so that everyone understood properly, because majority of Kenyans don't even understand what Article 37 says, and we cannot even follow that, because every 6:30 once. And if you are arrested, you're supposed to be jailed, because you are also violating the constitution, but you will not arrest everyone. So I think in Kenya, we don't even follow the law. That's why sometimes we force the enforcement to use excessive forces, which is also unconstitutional, and we don't support the fact that the police should.
But also, abasigari na barabomba bwana takwimukiro igetambukiro because babunire lichike.
And that's why we
But have we seen?
No, we have failed oversight in terms of police oversight and the independent institutions, EACC and DCI and IPOA. We don't have those bodies should be disbanded. Personally, I feel the reason why we don't even win the war on corruption is because of those three bodies and even the judiciary. Because even the specifically, it in the oversight the constitution. the constitution never protected the oversight. So if a Kenyan make a mistake, DCI, EACC, say IPOA, and Kenyan human rights, whatever, they are mandated by the constitution to prosecute you through the office of the director of prosecution. In the constitution or whatever. But we have not even attacked EACC because I felt if we could have organized Amanda Mano, talking about EACC, we want reforms in EACC, we want reforms in the office of the director of prosecution, we want reforms in the judiciary, because in the judiciary, majority of these people in the judiciary enjoy that excessive rights that they are above the constitution. They can make a judgment the way they want. They can give anyone a bond. No, bond. The same way Matiang'i said in 2017. In Kenya right now, so we have such kind of people in the judiciary, and we should start by fighting for independence in those bodies. Okay.
Atimeti mheshimiwa wenze moyago yeye ndo tenga
ndonda teve the sovereign power belongs to the people.
Kabisa.
Abantu the right of picketing is in the constitution, yes, like my brother said. But it's not used again ndonda musaboti teliko gutumika boneta keire. For example, again, Tonda Kongene, my brother, there is these institutions, like for example, EACC, Chita Keire, go accountable for maybe corruptions and other things. You find now, like the other day, Tuesday, on Tuesday, our Murawa, the Koenda, JKI. You know, JKI is something that is the picture your country. That's where the economy starts from. You cannot say now again in a picture they go paint that is sabotaging everything about the economy. You cannot say yes, you are fighting for the economy, but you are also sabotaging the economy to grow. Ego aba muraba chi institution injira jitakeire go gendo. Uno yo mintate banga. EACC, like for example, mangana aya passport and the Nyayo house, those things. Kangali no bago picket too, so that the president can do reforms. Bali strategic kibabuate, like EACC, chiokurwani corruption. Sengenjo wa fail completely, and maybe the president can be maybe is not aware on those things, but the rende again tonjango te abanga. Aba muraba bono bayiguira banta maiso not necessary themselves but bono no banta baga old generation ya roli renga ebintu mbiri ko koru in the right way igo bono we are fighting twensiamo toligereria serikali nkiebegete in place kira akonye abananchi kego effect abananchi directly na ndio bono my brother tebe constitution ya Kenya irengia I think it's more related with the USA. Lichi kolia picketing onye ndiri ko bwatu. Uya non criminals mbako inikirudi se amangana yo picketing. Abantu bamanyunga buna tebe street gete onye capital gali abantu banda manere capital. Without touching anything kyumuntu. Abantu banda mane kabisa onya abantu bakogenda onye ne county commissioner bagenda oro a specific office abantu bakwandamana no mulembe that one I also conga that esengenjo tutageti we have a country to build we have a country to protect tosali mambira olinga itoja ko jerusira oli to tebe bono we want to protect this and this and say I did to be bono go say like these other countries ji okoranga yaba and the genocides esengenjo at long last but too much of something also is poisonous at long last yaba ntombale bono bari goja bagoja ku fight back the gens ngwara Nairobi aba murabeji pigipigi the goons ba again, the Gego Jaka, wananchi kwa wananchi, we will finish our country. We are supporting Gen Z kuandamana. But let them use some means. Chile chingia na ande ba identify ebibago. Esengenja inikisi actually obo kebago buka kolekana. Njai witness dio mongi na gete oko ni chisoda ali eba atete chisoda na konyu. And I was like, we were supporting fully. I was like, ekinakio bakurwanira. You can't also yumongi ndoko taite kuchikokorobo si aruge ayo nyuji soda chia for free o ate chichubo kokore bintu binde bitayo. Igo abantu mbale baisona niria samanda mana ya agency bataite koreta epic chembe eli goseria talibe. Whereby president yesterday jata wetenga the criminals will be dealt with. Na ande ba kwane to his words egere criminals baba identified this ngenjo bono mostly even supermarkets. For example, you can't just baada yanga walikuwa wanasalimia wajumbe agiora ende supermarket yo mujumbe iligeta abantu over 200 oye vandalize eti unataka kusalimia mjumbe
beso mujumbe aba letro bokongo asenza.
No, taraleta bokongo because for example, creating a supermarket that is employed 200 people, either you have solved some.
What if chibese cha igore supermarket aibire kurwa serikali na chichi agende to kutumika kwegendere?
Bona abo so koiba no ge jakia bege kongo. Esengenjo we are fighting corruption in all ways. Lakini rende. Egende kenale go kirigeli from economic perspective. Amondo you employ 200 people, you have vandalized this thing within a day. Abanda bamambie bagoja banyore gasite. Teyo. You see, are you solving or you adding problems? Ono ikine kinali na kurigerera lakini rende abajumbe baito na barugo they somehow corrupt. Na ande egento nkere twari agency yare wa security amangana CDF onye ndiyo kobwa abe scrapped. Why we specific amount amangana education yonse pichiba zirichiko and education chirusigo chibekwe ese system ya education yok abandegere bakoroki ba education fully free ebe funded free egere ndogo nyabata yanga mwana again twamutumire gento gete abana basome without ko amujumbe ngana andaji kubarikere cheki bone igende kiki atwarire chinguru sana okonyora nona abantu mbali bamaide their rights maito mujumba odenga onye ko kumupinga sinini tali kujigo kwa basari osonye ko kumokore kwere ndega tali kujigo kwa basari bone ebinde byonye ndirio kubwa let them come to local babirusi kabisa chibeza jimanyunga kibese njiyo chikorube kugojese constituency tigaba wanafunzi bakoreki esukuru ebe free mangana yogo spread this money ngechichi ande jo mujumbe ejinero funding ejinero nini the system ebe ko incorporated chibeza chionse bichija samo esukuru ebe free either higher education and everything.
Okay, umeshimye kwa vere ko kwaniranga chi criminals ambapo netabe mukiliwe getambukero. We saw on Tuesday ga ase county ya Kisii abasayemba esogeti bakakoro kurubikana ko mulembe but tukaranga aba egati abantu mbarorobe sona ntegate bakabuguri bako babwate bakemioro abasaba genzi bakarealizinga abaigatali genzi bako korokurubikana ko mulembe bakabaminyoki bakaswa ase police station but we have not seen an action yaberige kuimoki wase chigunsejo.
You see, the problem is again don't get nate mago tebinga it will reach a time my brother is supporting the government. He will feel like abantu abana barumbo bakora against the government. Abantu abamba chake gocha batete bono eita baseli aba kurupara picketing n'abantu mbali abana biashara mbali bayigweto borro basaliri maybe ebintu byabo na baro batete ko bamuna ne revenge igo bono amanda mana yagajagete very nice agachaka buya lakini bono esengenzo y'abantu aba bangeire bono yarokanire abandi bakuiba abandi bakoreza mu busaligete iga bono abantu mbali bagoja guapkam esengenzo serikali ya sinyiru bono batete kokoraki ko we defend barabwa banyene igo ntunturi ko tebanga inikisi totoge to morembe no always na bali bajete batete guataki the gens they didn't do a right thing etakeire tokoro morembe na mangana agency onye ndiri banja baigwa bamanye who are these chances ntotigana twasiumunga we are Gen Z twagenda bara bamurambare babwa bachire je log people batete baroba pimete ngango igorete duka bamuibere igo turigereria abantu abo to na litora konyo morembe essence ya itonje ndara anything like for example president ya debe tenga abantu bali go picket bonse bi baigurero bono even if the criminal was there na bago te banjengo picket na lengi abako igorero as a criminal esengenjo kila kitu ategeto president emphasize on how which ways yego jikotumia to identify these criminals and how ago jiko nkiago ngiago jiko bachaji esengenjo tebire bali bako ba picketing baigorero which is ni double speak
abye sana turigelinga sensemo ntwakonera abasaimba kote chikos mbabwate different professionals ekero kurigelia serikali nanyane yale kochora abawaziri abaiga Vincent kora sensemo yangu ateba no somerito murimo bwesabo nensemeri ya physics orochino mukigwo oendo egwe wizara wesine yobo cheno oso egwe ewizara wesi chipara nge serikali tarigo considera abantu bali ba ebintu biri basomerita soko baimirimo
before I answer your question there is something my brother mentioned about CDF which I have always said I have a problem with the house called parliament because Ntora achieve representation of the people. In fact, we are overrepresented, but I'm not against overrepresentation. Overrepresentation because we want to also make leadership easier and closer to the people. But remember, feel for as much as we are overrepresented, we are still giving these people a chance to lie to us and give us stipends. To a stipend, they have made the position of MP very expensive, and it's like whatever they called. In fact, prefer MP. Some of them prefer to even become MP or president, because in that position of member of parliament, you are given 200 million every year. It about the oversight at all. In fact, CDF has no oversight. In fact, my member of parliament, has gone into office 2 years now. He was corrigated his utilization of CDF. I didn't expect that. In fact, try to make una natagete ndore a transformation ye manifest to abwate no mugambiza iri. A transformation abanafunzi banyore chief free uniform ekera bago join primary. Chibesa the CDF which university without discrimination kiro montaño or 10,000. The same thing my brother mentioned that there's a lot of discrimination on who is supposed to receive the bursary and who is not, because abange ba bomba my family kita supported the Mugambi so kiro bikricho which CDF gasi abono ku whip mo ta support the Mugambi mo parteki Mugambi mutagiri ko once you have been elected by the majority you become the leader of everyone. You don't choose that this one elected me and this one did not elect me. That's the same thing that happened with the president yesterday. Koroche Rigathi Gachagua was the president. They began a campaign of we are shareholding government, and onye to kritikura na kerengo gete turikonya na biro gete. So agateba na bantu bagusi twagete chikura gete twagete 41% tonyore kiro gekemo bogere na oro banyore kemo. In fact 4 counties in Luo Nyanza na onye bamwete chikura chinke you cannot give 4 counties plus 2 chagusi because we are counted as Nyanza otoe tu wizara mbili alafu your own region enyore 10. That is really not good balancing. And I feel Gen Z gave a chance to the president to also correct such kind of mistakes. And these are lessons to learn. And our member of parliament, our bunge, the government, every because we also want to correct this problem of representation and CDF once and for all. Because I feel like there's a lot of things that we can do to correct the mistakes in that. So, and to your question, I feel like physics. But right now, what I'm doing here as NDCTV, sometimes I feel like but once you have gotten experience in management of, for example, principal, so I school 10, I can be elevated to maybe a head of department or senior teacher in 15 years to 20 years time when you're a very principal. And once I'm a principal and I excel in management, it does not mean that I can only remain to be a principal because that's my job that is on me. Normally abarimu baku fit everywhere. That's an example ndaru. Abarimu normally to go fit everywhere. We can be everywhere. And normally abarimu na wangi in the profession that has so many people in the republic. Abarimu na wangi. So I feel a president dekreate. Roma nyana go to sorry yagateba. You cannot toko tebanya muntu kiti tago fit or bare lawyer tago fit koba waziri ya roads and transport just because he is educated to be a lawyer and the last year lawyer maybe no kobe attorney general. We cannot have 20 attorney generals. We can only have one attorney general. Na gogo to muntu parte law, but in terms of leadership na what leadership na what over ayuya. So I feel like umuntu una migosio gamba to Ministry of Education we've had Machogu from 2022. Most of the people said Machogu will maybe fail and will not live up to standards that Magoha left. But again, as much as I feel like he also didn't perform quite well, he really tried. As much as I don't know Montokorte BA, Montokorte Bachelor of Arts, he really tried. And as for as much as Ministry of Education is the most critical ministry, but it's the most organized and the most underrated ministry. He tried so much to keep it together. Akatema sana akanyibwaterera matemo metaki sisi ekera normally tokomesha obuyabo minister korengana na matemo amatemo ari matanga ntamobere tibuya because there was a lot of problems and then ekera so that's when CBC problem was there and we had to sort that problem because after election that's when we were going to have a transition from grade 6 to grade 7 and there was no framework on how we were going to do it. So Machogu came in when the Ministry of Education was going to face a very tough test. So I feel like but it's an advantage. Advantages because you seem to understand. But there are ministries when I want to help. Education, health because there are ministries. Technocrat. Because ministry of interior, you don't need to have to put a technocrat there. You need to put someone who understands much of the law and much of the constitution. That's why I'm not lakini ministry health, ministry agriculture, ministry mining. I think even in mining the president missed that a little. Ministry water, you need a technocrat there who understands much about water and agriculture. Ministry energy, you need someone who understands much about those electricity stuff.
Good. Those who watch it,
I feel there are ministries. There are ministries
that needs professionals.
Don't need these professionals who have the exact profession.
You know, my brother Vincent is a teacher. Actually, born of education, let us give example. Migos Ugamba is a lawyer by profession. You see, I don't know the criteria they used to see that Ugamba is fit for that position. Mimi nilifikiria mumuroyo mintongo yegerera arenga ekero kubona muni kyo minister of education tikaba ali mubaye egera go is one of the teachers egera na waro babe
benefit.
I think the ngomisi vale on that professionals also matter. I think my brother has mentioned almost 3/4 chitakeire ko professionally kwaegwa abantu bali batakeire gukora egasi eyo
ofuiche serikali etaraina
fuiche serikali etaraina na most things ndoje byakoretwa most people are lawyers na hande na ubabeke to ministries every ministry muntu maybe one not understand what is mining is he has done osenki akorete ono o president neta keire kurigerera the technocrats waligereria abantu aba muntu kyo understand it about this thing deeply when then na wonder ajenga I will make reforms roads tindi mo engineer tindi kenda I'm just a lawyer you see again to mune gingo affect kir kwa nyoro muntu the plan he has ne plan accurate tiembeo the actual thing keri mu engineer ari ko beke plan ga kore gasi ege ko beke kongo I think Raila Amolo Odinga is an engineer. Some days back he was a minister for roads and other things. I think that's when the Thika highway started, the plan started building Thika highway. Igo umuntu another keire a professional yae have identified how experience he is umanya kwa every ministry not from anywhere umuntu buna njengora administration na rusi ugozengarali na maya kobekwe as a ministry ya health which is very bad na ande the president yeligerali key ministries babe ku professionals na not necessary abana siasa
okay mete Vincent obuya bwoko bo mwalimu mete nero gosomi president yaba aticha can be all round
just add on what I said. I didn't say that they are not supposed to be professionals in ministries because a ministry that korani kuna moto ministry in institution to get a corregas in general so ekero monto ma minister under him there is a lot of people that are supposed to work because in the ministry of education, for example, because I'm mentioning the ministry that affects me directly, the ministry of education, there was the director 10 of Tokari Jogo House. Those 10 directors are supposed to now be the professionals because those are the people who now execute.
Are you sure they are the professionals, the directors?
Yeah, because those people you are put there according to the qualifications that are outlined in there.
But as much as what the directors say, chibabu wate knowledge about education, umuntu mugu advice na wate chinguru. Lakini tabu wate knowledge about what you are
directives.
You know, yes. That's what I'm saying. This is also a political appointment. It's a political appointment. There are positions that they have to give due to convenience. Imagine now at the start of the interview that we were given the chance to correct these mistakes, and we were given this is the kind of dialogue that I wanted us to have with the president. For as much as you have friends, because we want to balance regions, there are people who are not qualified to be in certain professions.
But that is what the Gen Z said.
No, but they didn't give him an option.
Umete egasi ya Gen Z ilikuwa ku advice, not giving directives. Because it is upon the president koimukie decision arolena naki ngogo fit as a ministry.
Yes, he did that exactly because umuntu bunambati for as much as arengo position is a certified accountant. No umuntu fit to run Minister of Treasury. Or no umuntu qualified. Umuntu buna Kidure Kindiki professor has really tried in that ministry for as much as he is not directly in that profession, administration and interior, whatever. Normally, he performed exemplary well in that profession of interior. And education area a profession because he was a lecturer at the University of Nairobi. But when he was given the Ministry of Interior, that's when he performed. For as much as there was a lot of extrajudicial killings in that administration, he really performed exemplary well. It doesn't mean that when you are not qualified to sit in certain position, you can't do your job. I can be given a Ministry of Interior. The only thing you're supposed to do is the right thing. Yeah, you don't need to do what the professions do.
But those who have been given that position haven't delivered.
No, you know, that's why yes,
the expectation appointed. Like for example, I'm expecting is go back interior ngaba murabali wose na bakurwa na gisegi kwenda to crash them. But there is a due procedure. Oh no, you go have a difficult time. Also, mondo to understand what is the ministry is about. Oh no, Oyo Mindo mentioned it Matiang'i. Matiang'i did very well in education. Actually, he capped everything about cheating in exams. He changed a lot of things. He made even the principals to be responsible. Whether the principals in Bengo Kavalenge was their own budget. aga change aga make reforms chiarenge chingia esengenja understand it what is in the gra igobo no we are not saying nga bantu batali related to the ministry professionals babekwe lakini rende there is some key ministries for example I'm not even tindiko pinga wasoro wa Migos lakini omuntu nabagwe nende gotoka o understand it about education or understand it or directives. My they go understand it something. When you give directives, so my then a chico again to understand it. Telling about what device you manya ko directives. You see it counts law. You go on no. Jegen donare whatever. The president. Or go say government in the Osiraja in place. Let us emphasize on professionals. Omuntu understand it again to get when we go chorus ministry.
Okay.
We know you know the PSS are PSS one of government we need technocracy specifically we need technocracy. But the problem I told you we have a problem in Kenya the political problem. Now the problem we need to increase it because we have so many people running for offices just to lose elections. The party nominates to some positions. So sometimes it becomes problematic when you're seated in the position of what the president is seated right now because you have to also learn to balance the politics and
the work.
Yeah. So, como very guys in kumwero mwenye president kokora everything. That's why no last time I carrying ko sign contract na GCS chia but they are ministers that don't know their job, which is true. No job when I feel like they are ministers who failed the president. Linturi is a minister who in broad daylight failed the president. For as much as agriculture is almost what ministry are performing exemplary well in terms of reduction of food prices, inflation in food. Even in the agricultural sector because that was the first one. In the Ministry of Agriculture because the cost of food was too high. But again, the minister could not even uphold that track record. When people are already fighting corruption, so I feel like for as much as we need professions in every ministry, we can still have professions in some ministries and still fail. We need to have the right people in those offices, people who have integrity. That should be, I think, the key. Before we even look at profession, we should look at integrity because Migos Tarawa mentioned in so many scandals, and I'm not speaking here to defend him. He has not been mentioned in so many scandals, but from the SCV I posted I felt like he's quite educated and he has undergone the education system of Kenya. Ministers of London, ministers of primary, understand what the children
the system in Kenya.
So I feel like you can be put in the Ministry of Education when you are not a profession teacher, but at the same time perform. But I wanted the president to appoint Sosion personally. Sosion has been in that ministry.
Follow mbia mwana sana so kuri birengerwa ndo chenge biro bitu byatonyorere kigima ndete umwishimiwa rakwaniranga amagendera se ward yao.
Mbuya mono sana moralie seli bagelio litanga ni kabisa ward ya Kitutu Central ne ward ebebeka ine gosere within the town ward ye expectation ya abantu baito Kitutu Central by expected ye ward ye move a step lakini you find we have never found leadership. For example, one ga ward ya ito omo MC ororo, this is the second time umugambi ito. Lakini there is no any other tangible things you are feeling a ward ya ito despite ye kaine ne town go sebu ade town ikene ya koliu. Ji para je ito jira so pathetic. Para je ito so pathetic. Nchiri kueteka. For example, para ya ufanisi baka ya soka stage miwa tira ligereri unyanya ko ligereri we pare yo abanta abange ne para ya nyambera ekoenda yaji ko soka nini nyangonga ali Queenspark chipare jo echire very close to town but chire so pathetic njiri weteka there is no lights egera abantu bakuminyokigwa abantu aba bakora iga maybe bakagire muntu iga bagotama those are the roots bagotumia roots chiri chitaregete abantu batari gweta bae bisororo nande maybe bataki other people iga bono egwodi yaito yabeire we have been telling omweshimiwa Dio Kinyarango korera abanaizi gasi we are not coming up nga tokupinga sengenjo okupinga koro egendo tutagete ne gasi ni Kitutu Central errokane egasi yoke koreki ekwane for example in our Kitutu Central some parts some centers like Nyangongo egesa ntubuga sewage line na and those are the developed centers abantu bono private investors are there egento keliki abwa kiale kuri muchicho kale it will come to an end sengenjo egwodi yaite close to town wayo mweshimiwa atari kurigereri at is our representative aire birere byokobe bitangani as a county assembly abe considerate ay kuchibeza nande ebintu binde byakabere umugambi nabwa the budget yenene sana nabwa the spring water the budget yabo aire millions of money we don't know a budget yekero bako yeti that is the budget of 2024 2023 2024 budget year chibe semba begete kando chikoro spring water turaro any even a single spring water ecorrosive doa chibe sentu aroje chibe kirechi joko levelize stadiums in every ward stadiums is meaning chiskuru chirichibwate biti chibe levelized for example mweshimiwa lende tu we are proud him na kiongonge na chagete ko kerosi lakini ebiti bireke Kitutu Central bire binge na kiongongi garo seti not levelizing only you must so esengenjo kiongongi erege tunu edageire koligeri ku drainage egerege tie genanda marabata kurora egetigare ko bayigo na ande mugetige lige simu ku bonyansi na likira be stadium bon ebinte binge byabeire Kitutu Central totaite koligeri ligoro ya magendero mugambio fairiri in some cases to komotebi taligoika na ando mugambi to taligoika bantanga we are not fighting him but it is to the old man actually I give credit to mweshimiwa Kibagendi sengenjo most to the yabona na matanga lazima the representative was there omonyene lakini mweshimiwa ito bantu mbamoroji yoro mo MCA Kitutu Central bantu mbali komorora is not communicating is nowhere to be seen no muntu sinyuru go to represent we don't know mweshimiwa governor ito tomuzigede sana nande kokorale gas bono the MCA is believed inga gosea gotebera gwikangera ali close to governor ekerale close to governor actually ekero ore close no nese president no babo sorongo igore bakwoga okorete bintu one of the MCA we have not seen actually igakorete down ni governor sengenjo konyo counting ari ni governor without bringing anything as abantu ikinegende kebe chiparanjire chigokororu chiatigerunjera hadi tatichibase chikoriego tipara chibase chiasokigu epara yako yaetigu ya korugire dingiga ya rusigwe bitugi yatigugo for example para ya migingo baka yajigosoka egetiongo epare yo ya etetugu egatiguga mongino renke at the entrance chinyomba chiajiga itwa 14 up to now bare nyanya gokorukende omongino kango nankonya konyorare gento kiaege kegeke at least omondo iga government ge jakoba ready kwagaje para bamaya komoteirusi chinyomba chao but you can't do 2 years down the line okororete chinyomba chio montonde achandegete wamaya ipari yotayera oseti amagendero naro tutagete lakini tiganga magendera korunda at the right time na anda korunjire ndonge tali okonerera for example nande amangana bono na passages this round mweshimiwa Dio Kinyarango he did his best ezengejo taete bantu bali bare kumupinga no nyoyomo ya bantaete
bali bare ko
abantu bali ba amaete bali ba kumo support na bako uji passeri umuntu onye kabata abana batatu ayo guchionsi lakini oli ba amaete ngoyo nga yarukoru oyo nga kyarenge gukora politically won't speak on the yonyore passage abantu they are crying outside there igo omweshimiwa njono nyasaye gagonkonya ntagete omweshimiwa tigakore gas kera akore gas street lights nchiyo se ward ya ito Kitutu Central actually ni aibu sana ward yere within town kwa manya konyoranga street lights koru tote Denmark bakegesa echirimete nobody is complaining mo MCA no agweta abubutambe we have never known nga egenteke ngakigego korwese ngenjo during the regime the other regime kitajiri ngora tu arenge ngoli majirake nandi yakoroki kiarigereriu inki kegendererete ese ngenjo people are being attacked security teyo reasons onyendiri security ejiraiti chiro abangina kango ko twara baro morembe boni go iso konyora abangina no maide they use abangine bawo ja market yari tande batara no kugoro to home ese ngenjo ebese me biaro siringi 100 epigipigi ko musaba 100 baka gose ngetare gosane bono orengere ringa this 100 shillings let me just food bono ngayago je gufuti oroje orosana ime tayanchiogeti ngage abantu oroje mbali komia igo there is a lot of things omwesimiwa diuki aferiri whereby nenche gosaba nyasaye gagonkiororo mokonga timbasa go follow suit korera bantegas sengenja abantu baitongora banchire bono nkonga bari chikura 2027
mbia bana sana ndo chinge birabeto ya tenyerina moko banga shideka ibereiga mobe mokorwa engana yo mweri gocha somwa nchimuli kando chinga mo sentina sent kebande sokoro pamoja Beatrice Osoro watching miyenda sama wata watching the conversation salimia hao wangwana kefanya ribo korobo basi wanyankama Esani Catholic hadi mwisho Ruth Nyabuto watabani kondani ya Ndizi TV fans Irene Mangoina Raki Kasmil Nancy Nyabonyi Jack Makori Fred Moga Oboga Neila Msani good morning to you Karondo che yuni yule moja akotabanga good morning to my dad Joseph Torori akiwa pale St. Andrew Kawa Waigo Amos Martin watching and following loud from Saudi Arabia. Waigo Christopher Tandi watching live from Borangi, Kenyambi with my wife Lydia Kirgohadi Tamati. Be blessed. Victor Omondo Mienda. Atanga Koroiga Nairobi West Igati na nyako machapigo ikali hoteli ya Buga Bumondo na mwachangia family bategeta bia hadi Tamati. Naganitia bantu bategerere babuati morovelio wensaki abono mambia Dominic Nyabuto abatabanga kuroke umbo Amasago base tuned in bakatamati Dennis Mogaka watching live korwa Ngokoro Soko Sidi Nyakusha watabanga good morning watching live korwa Ngeri Township niko ndani mpaka mwisho Dolphin Mora hata good morning watching you live it is a new sunshine day our Lord has blessed us with let's say thank you let me wish my children parents friends all fans of Ndizi TV without forgetting my enemies behind to have a fantastic day be blessed for the good job you are doing Musori Wege Susu watching live Corona Kuru City kijana mtulivu watching live Koronya Tieko Isaiah Nyatundo Mosongo watebanga watching live from Siokimawa Kobolenga Kerendi Dennis na Isaiah Nyatundo Mosongo ngaibali Waigo Kerandi Dennis akotabanga no alimi yomorobili kurwa Sensemiria na Kuru City Jeria Kiruba akotabanga TBT from Nama Barin Kingdom all the way to my home Kisii County Kanyimbo Mwakiage village na baibiribane Samuel Ongeri and my mom Mariana Ongeri bategera bonsi batwaleli tukuligia Joshua Mbuya Tirimba akotabanga good morning from Nairobi Ruben Center nikondani na my wife Dorika Kirubo na my beloved son Carton Tirimba na Vanda Vange ntanyale ko bagingo kora bona iga ekyagere ibiro bito byabere bigotonyora tuchakire naye Vincent Karungo obasime bwabo mwelyo agocha barayi bali bakurigiritie mambi yabona iga kubwatikana buna engane ya Gen Z babiri bagotaburura eserikali
ya mono paradia inde tigangireri bageri batabanya buyani TV ya Ndizi TV nyambe ya mono asoko ngari baganche uno musayo moke chasi TV ito NNLC to kwana to semi-musi I'm always humbled to be in the presence of the people, especially I want to wait to Bagusi because about the most Tomo Naini. I am so grateful that today I had the chance to make my debut in this TV, and I hope that our people will judge us from what we've said. andonse twakwanire tutagagokia na tugusabu kwabira na indando ari twakwanira maya ire na inde moya korere gasi my parting shot inanyire kuchia seke umbigi tukia basaya bake ba Gen Z na millennia ngo batebiti mu basoko kwa moyo because sabari mwacha kirene sabari ingia na inde ikenige tunabere ngo sabasinga kintambe erinde to solve a problem to what unemployment, corruption, and the political problem because majority of these politicians with that job is apangi wabe bakure birogebi erinde na service into bas kumo weekend ojo basera muye banaende ana ibete chibeza semia ketano. I feel like we can do better as a people and if we stay together 2027 years regoika wate bibande naende bigache buya birisere na mokegura bayiguri bagate brekare nyati yake bigete saro ime beke kibande kiaga sare save chikura chigweka 2026 ekara bawo cha register voters batachikura so bonge because into basaye ngwe so kitura bange elinde toche go solve problem we because into cha kotegemea abantu abango batonchorere problem we the president gave us a chance we didn't utilize it we still have a chance we can call the president on the table because into tumobege to rom na mate wa sovereign power belongs to the people tiga torangire president na nderimo tumukwanire tomotebinya of course gwakorire kigwakorire we are not impressed we don't like what you've done but we advise you to do 1 2 3 ndo basikomo tiga make a decision because politicians bande bago hijack such kind of moments and they watch on I wish you all the best mukusiando seskwabeta tena saba seseni mpaka kiende
okay mbiemona sana mheshimiwa Karungengana ya mwaya
na nche gendonda tebe mbuya mono muralia na nde mose radio TV yaito ya ndizi asogo to host lero na intuko kwanira about yense yaito ya Kenya ne abantu baito onsi mosa abantu bane bakitutu Central World idangani kabisa ngo tebe mbuya mono twategereirwe bali batotegereire tebia abantu bane bakitutu Central ngambuya mono sana tebie enkwani my mother Joyce Mora no mwakonde James Musioma na my wife Melas sengen Njombe timba kwani maybe na wara jikondwani na supporters bonsi pibane Gen Z uno yo mintati akagote abatika tokoreki tubwate bibande ebina bibirwanero byeito bigoja ku fight in the future tubwate jikuru aso bonge we are really supporting Gen Z and we are proud of you esengenjo mwatoro kirienchera nande this round moroje na injenje ni sikitutu Central ono sukuma mangana yegera be buronge mbuya mono sana moralie se libageriga
mbuya mono sana sogekera na studio na bayo gwanchira na bosanga no mwanchi muri na bayo mbuya mono sana mwanchi muri ya kwabere ko bosanga na inte korwa emambya yalengengia oikera bona igato bere to boikera omwele no basemira ko na kwabere ko wesemia mange gwetera abageni baito be studio litkolera mbuya mono sana kuchia sensemeria arogo Chris kura sensemeria bogusero raganga kituto chache saudo yo baka kubuatia omorobeli korwe mambe toga chagete gwikira bona iga tingo moibanere job maangi na boigo Abigail Nyanchama abutobe to kubuatira na barbo korwe mambe yalengengia gwikira bona iga kondo mwanchu muri ere gwikira bo no to gwikira omoeli obo morobeli winsa kyali tukolera tomera ne litukolia angyo astrabe to gosanga amange elitera ne Kerubo Frida twara oboligerelia orobia
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwumugusi.
Kisi Family Medical Center ni nyagatari ya kirero iyo kurobokoreri au iryo gokoenekeria afyenkia ngoro barobokoreri buno koringorwa